guys, and it's 6:40 a.m. and I have completed my PT, and right now I'm in home showcasing myself, my body. You can see मेरा बॉडी ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं था गाइस, बिपाड़ में आके एकदम बन गया है, फोरआर्म्स वगैरह सारे कुछ मसल्स वगैरह आ गए हैं, पता नहीं कैसे, बस आ गए हैं गाइस. Welcome to the Hacking Mind channel guys, and today I'm here just telling you this is almost 10 days left of my training, and I will record every 10 days from now onwards so that it will make some memory guys, it will make some memories. और हम लोग अभी जाएंगे नहाने गाइस, हम लोग जाएंगे नहाने. नो 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 नो, हम लोग नहीं जाएंगे गाइस, सिर्फ मैं जाऊंगा गाइस, मैं जाऊंगा गाइस. सो और मैं क्या कह रहा था, हाँ, और देखिए गाइस, मैं पीटी करके यहाँ पे हूँ और ये लौंडा सो रहा है गाइस. देखिए, सी दिस गाय, he needs more chingari piti. Chingari piti guys, it's a punishment. Everything will be 4x the amount you do in the morning. Yes. And here's our Ravi Bhaiya. Oh no, Ravi Bhaiya has कुछ पहने नहीं है गाइस, खैर रहने दीजिए. तो उनको अभी नहीं दिखाएंगे. खैर, he is my senior and I respect, much respect brother. And now we will be moving to our like I will take bath, and after that I will go to take what you say that खाना morning को क्या, breakfast guys, breakfast. Sorry, my English sometime gone Thailand guys, my English gone Thailand for some time guys. Yes, now it came back, so meet you at the खाने के बाद. Bye. Guys, right now I'm taking the breakfast. My breakfast guys, and I will meet you after the class.
So, hi guys. So today we have spent around 40 days here, and now I'm going to the class.
Yes
So,
guys,
Akash.
and our breakfast is also over, and right now it is 8:25 and 8:30 our class will be started. So guys, अब जो क्लासेस होने वाली है उसको हम लोग करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा रेडी हो गए हैं गाइस. माइंडसेट प्रिपेयर कर लिए हैं कि लास्ट तक प्लेसमेंट लेके ही जाना है गाइस.
ये पता नहीं है कि आने वाली है कि नहीं आने वाली है.
And we are Bipadian guys.
Yeah, we are
Bipadian. So we will do it.
Or anything else, Akash sir?
Yeah, and right now French is also going well, and that also unlock a new opportunity.
Yeah, it almost 80 to 90% syllabus has been covered of French classes. And
like basic which like सबसे low level का जो होता है
A1
या D1 something, I
A1
don't know,
A1
या D4 something.
अरे
A1 level completed guys.
A1 is the basic level.
Yeah, but we are not able to understand right now completely, but 80 to 90% it is done for now.
And what about CCNA?
CCNA also 100% done, and today we will start CCNA 3 guys. CCNA 2 is done for now, and best experience guys till now, best experience.
Actually, CCNA 3 class has been already started I think day before.
Yeah, day before. So, and we have almost done routing and switching, and we have almost mastered on Cisco packet tracer.
Yes,
That's a great thing guys. That's a great thing. We are moving to the class, and in the class there is restriction,
so
we cannot record more. Yeah, we cannot record more guys here, so we will stop right now.
So we are going to the class.
Please focus on this Vipad Skill Park. See guys, this was the one where I clicked photo, and we are moving to the class guys. Bye, we will meet you after the class. So hey guys, class is over and it's almost 1:20, and we are moving to the hostel guys. And today French classes happened just before now. Very excited guys, very excited. And And Ravi bhi also very excited, guys. Hello. Hello. So, what did you learn today?
I learned adjective.
Adjective in French, guys.
Yeah.
Like tall, short, like this, for example, like this. And one more thing we have learned. What we have learned?
Daily routine.
Daily routine, guys. Like how,
Say.
yeah, like I wake up at 7 o'clock. And how to say that? Do you remember?
Jamais réveillé.
Jamais réveillé. Ah.
5.
5. Ah.
Ah.
Ah, guys. So it means 5 o'clock he wake up in the morning. So guys, we have reached in our mess. Long line, and I have to stand here for taking the food. So guys, this is the rule. We cannot break the line. Everyone follow the same protocol and everything.
क्लास में पहले
Let's go, guys. I'll meet you after the dinner.
क्या चीज़ फ्री वही
Or if I take the dinner, I will try to record. But sure. Bye, guys. So, yo guys, welcome again, and we have completed our every classes and everything, and I'm sitting on the ground chilling with my bro. Gaurav, bro, you are not giving attention to the vlog. Yo guys, so I'm sitting with the bro, and currently I'm recording this.
But I'm scared to sit here.
Why? Yes, because
Scared
today,
of snake.
because today, guys, there was one snake found in a hostel room,
अरे भाई बहुत खतरनाक सांप है अरे बहुत खतरनाक
and we are very much scared. I'm personally scared with the snake, guys.
But I'm not.
But he's not, guys, because he said one day that he has one option, that he will go to the temple and it will do all the things.
Worships.
Yeah, worships, and but I will die, guys, if it happens, because at my side there is no place to go. My side people die, and his side don't people die with snake, guys. Snake bite.
That's you can say it's type of magic.
Magic, guys, magic. This guy is not engineer, guys.
Magic in a
He-
temple.
Magic in temple, but yeah, but you don't talk. We don't believe in such thing. Yes,
But I believe in such things.
you believe in such thing. That's great. But I believe sometime, and sometime I don't believe it. But that's personal opinion. Let me know your opinion, guys. You believe in such thing or not? But we are scared currently. I am scared, bro. Even he is also scared, but he is not telling, guys. Just because he has one friend that can save me.
Say our life.
Yes. Oh my god. So guys, it's currently lot of grasses and all. It's looking awesome,
You
man.
can see the work progress here.
Yeah.
And it just done within a
One
within a
one month or 1 month.
1 month approx.
Yeah.
It take.
The building you see behind me was not at all at when I arrived. It was only 2 or 3 floor, third floor. But right now you can see it has built up very high.
Fifth floor.
Yeah, fifth floor and
is working.
fifth or sixth floor, I guess. Fifth or sixth floor, guys. So, as we are here chilling, and I think if you want a video on this, just let me know in the comment section. If you are coming to the Bipart and you want me to make a video particularly to that course, I will make it, and just let me know, guys. Just let me know in the comment below.
The
Start.
day started by
Doing
the
PT. Yes, we do. We have done PT
in
and
the
after-
morning.
In the
at
morning.
5:30 to
Yes.
6:30. And
Yes.
there is a,
This is good
this
language.
is too hard PT.
Yes.
And there could be a that's called Chingari PT.
Yes.
These are different languages.
No. That's
Apart from
that's a good
French
tone.
or English.
That's a good tone for my vlog. Yes.
That stone is like a Walla Habibi.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Yes.
Dubai.
Yes. But we are from Pipard.
Yeah.
Yes. So
But we
today,
are trying to do
Sir.
speak some tone. What could we say? Huh?
This guy, guys, he's talking without script, guys, and me too. But he's keeping stopping every time. I don't know why. So, sir, can you explain what has happened in our class?
Yes,
In the last hours, can you explain what is the last class we have?
in the last class, the Priya Jha, na? Yes,
Priya ma'am.
Priya ma'am will become, and he
She has taken the Stumper
yes,
class.
sorry, she has
Extemper
taken
class.
Stumper class.
Basically, in extemper, you have given a particular topic and you have to speak on a particular topic randomly
random particular
1 or
topic.
2 minutes, something like that.
Yes.
So it was like you don't aware about that topic, so you have frequently speak about that particular topic.
And this guy got about defense system, and he has blundered. He has not knowing India
No,
defense.
it was not blunder, but I forget the particular point, and I actually that,
He forget to
that point
mention
was
India and
thinking,
Pakistan
but
defense.
I forgot it. That's why I couldn't speak on that particular time.
Yeah,
And this
sometimes
guy
it happens,
also
guys. Sometimes it happens, guys. And
Do you
And-
know what was the my topic?
yeah, what
The
your
topic is which app you use
frequently
in your
in your phone
phone.
frequently.
and I've also done it a big blunder.
No. That was we have tried a lot to speak, and that's a good sign that we are we are trying at least. And
sometime it happen, or
yeah.
sometime maybe flow with the.
yes.
And I've taken it not seriously, and I've been
Yeah,
going with
me too, guys. And I have got today
Then
scolded from ma'am
the
for that
ma'am
reason
has
only.
scolded us.
Yes.
What
And I
was,
told
what was your
don't be
topic?
likely.
Huh?
What was your topic?
My
Be
topic was
professional.
on opportunity, and I have talked about non-technical and technical both of the opportunity, guys.
You will become a gardener.
He's going to be a gardener.
And what about
yes.
Ayush?
And
Huh?
Yes, my
Ayush.
topic on the B parts.
Huh.
Then I speaking about what opportunity and which types of works I do in the B parts, and what is my daily activity. That's including PT, yoga, and daily class. What haptic schedules.
Yes.
And that is my topic.
And
I
guys,
stick in
I
that
have
topic.
seen that any of us have improved our talking, and that's a good sign that we have all learned so much in these days, and we are not going empty-minded from here, right, guys?
Yes, bro.
Say yes. So we are.
Depardian.
Say in the flow. We are.
Depardian.
Yeah.